Namaskar. This video which we are going to shoot now is about promotion of nation building and national integration. Every person living in a community has a major role to play in nation building and can contribute in making the country a better place. National integration is the bond and togetherness between people regardless of their caste, creed, religion or gender. It is the feeling of oneness, brotherhood and social unity under communities and society in a country. So, the importance of national integration can be analyzed from the fact that the nation which remains integrated will always progress on the track of development, prosperity and social harmony. It also promotes loyalty for the nation. A teacher has the capability to mold the tender minds of his students in any direction. With this in mind, I took upon myself to make my students understand what it means to be a true Indian. For promotion of nation building and national integration, I always advise and guide my students to be the part of it. In this regard, I always take some of the steps which I would like to talk about in the succeeding paragraphs. First of all, clean and green India. In our school, we promote cleanliness and for that we do Shramdan on many occasions like Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day, Republic Day, etc. I always teach the students to respect the nature and follow the principles of sustainable development. I have conducted and participated in plantation drive on the occasion of World Environment Day and Van Mahotsav. I always make sure that the students should not litter and respect their surroundings. These events bring all Indians together, which set an example of nation building and national integration. The next point in this regard, which I would like to mention here, is bringing awareness in the society towards nation building and national integration. This is very important and a teacher can play big role regarding this. I have conducted rallies on burning topics of social awareness like education for all. Every time I try to educate the students about different social evils like domestic violence, female infanticide, child marriages, etc. Group discussions are organized in the class about them and how one can make an impact to eradicate them. This helps a lot in bringing the people together to fight such evils. This is one of the best examples of national integration. Next point in this regard is unity in diversity. National integration helps to unite the minorities as well as it gives them the freedom to live their lives in their own way without any interference. Tolerating and respecting every religion and community is the key motto of our school as well as the classes I teach. Being a housemaster and class teacher, I always make sure that no student should feel as an outcast because of his or her religion, caste, community, race and so on. We give special liberty and holidays to students so that they can celebrate their festivals and customs accordingly. Interactions between different students are promoted so that they learn more about each other. Following the law and elimination of injustice, I make sure that students should know about their basic rights and duties. As the citizens of India, by doing so, I try to promote a sense of nationalism in them. I always make sure that they respect our national flag, national anthem and national monuments which bring our country together. During educational tours, whenever we visit some historic monuments, I try to make the students learn about the hardships our ancestors faced to make our country free. I firmly advise my students to stand against any injustice they ever come across in their lives. The next point in this regard is positive attitude. I always teach my students to be positive in each and every situation so that they can face any situation in their lives. The students will strive for positive changes in the community. which will further help in national integration. This aspect is very crucial as until and unless the students come out from narrow-mindedness, our country can never be integrated. To conclude, I can say that as a teacher and as an ANO, NCC, Junior Division, Sainik School, Rewa, MP, I have always tried to promote national building and national integration through various activities like conducting rallies, lectures and so forth on the topics I have mentioned so far. We always send the message of secular India. There is no low or high caste in our society. There is no racial discrimination in our country. We give these types of messages to our cadets. Promotion of national building and national integration is possible only when we develop the lesson of oneness and nationalism. Nation first theory is to be taught to the cadets as we have been doing in Sainik schools. The main aim of our school is to send maximum cadets to NDA so that they could become officers in Indian Armed Forces and serve our country. Thus, the aim of this school itself suggests that we are born for our country, for which we have been working day and night to develop nationalism in the cadets. I am one of the stakeholders of the system. Thank you very much.